Introducing Bizdata's eZintegrations, the cutting-edge solution that takes data integration to a whole new level. With eZintegrations, you can effortlessly connect and synchronize APIs with Google BigQuery, all while harnessing the robust capabilities of Google Cloud Storage. Join us in this video to unlock the potential of your data like never before. Log into your eZintegrations account, click eZintegrations, and begin by adding the integration bridge. The first step is to configure data source. In data source, select source type as API. Selected humanoid as data source and list users as business object. Enter the authorization URL and other details. Test the API endpoint using test button. Response can be seen here. Our response in the source is JSON data in a nested format. Next, navigate to Data Operations. Here, begin transforming, wrangling, and cleaning the data. We can see the list of all the operations by scrolling here. The first operation will be JSON to delimiter. This transforms JSON data into delimited data, which can then be utilized for storing or transmitting information in a structured manner. The response from API is stored under key name Bizdata dataset response. And, the data that is needed to be converted is stored under the key name data. Hence, these two key names are passed under key data. Delimiter is used to separate values in a list, record, or file. We are using commas since we have comma-separated values. Under response key, enter the key name in which delimited data will be stored. It is delimiter data here. Using encode-decode operation we can encode or decode the data. In response key, pass the key name which holds the data we want to encode. In the previous operation, data was stored under key name delimiter data. So, key delimiter data will be passed here. In method type, enter the type in which the data is required to be encoded. In process, select encode or decode based on requirement. Using API operation, we will do the staging process of storing data in Google Cloud Storage. Under System, enter the target name that is Google Cloud Storage. And, business object as Google LLC. In test, we will enter Google Cloud Storage API to store data in Google Cloud Storage bucket. Provide authorization details as this API has OAuth 2.0 authorization. In body, we have passed the encoded key from our previous operation. This is the cloud storage. We are using it for staging the data before sending it to target. Using sleep time operator, we will give a pause of 30 seconds to the operation so that all the data gets stored in Google Cloud Storage. Informative and detailed documentation is available for each operation. Next step is to select target under data target. Before configuring, we will see how our table looks in target. This is our target in Google BigQuery where our headers can be seen. The following step is to select the data target, which is API. Select the target name as BigQuery. and business object as BigQuery job, from the list present in drop-down. Next, enter the authorization URL with ID. As the API has OAuth 2.0 authorization, provide the authorization details. Enter other required details. Then, test the API endpoint. Now, in the summary section, provide the name and description of the integration bridge. Under Schedule, we can schedule the frequency of integration or select interval as per requirement. Here, we are setting it to 300 seconds. Once everything is done, click on Submit. The integration bridge can be seen in the list. We can now proceed to run the integration bridge and check the results in live streaming logs, since the integration bridge is now built. Data can be seen coming to the target. Millions of records can stream into target after starting the service. With eZintegrations, get a seamless and faster integration experience.